Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Bowen. I'm down low today because I wanted to really make sure that you could see the 120 chart. Today we're going to talk about the 120 chart and some different ways we can use it to help us with counting. So we're going to look over here at the 120 chart. So when we count by ones, we know how to do that. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then when we get to 10, it goes over here to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then it goes back like that. So we just keep counting by ones all the way back. Now, if we were to count backwards, we could start at like 29, and if we were to count backwards, we would count this way. So we would go 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, come back up here, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, all the way up here. Say this last bit with me, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you're at 0. So that's how we use the 120 chart to count by ones, but there are other ways to count. We can count by fives, we can count by tens, and later on in the year we're going to learn how to count by twos. So I wanted to show you that I've already marked these off, but I wanted to show you that you can use it to help you remember how to count by fives. So you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120. So I know that if I need to find a number on the 120 chart, I can just look here and count by fives until I find it, okay? Now, I also want to talk about counting by tens. So when we go by tens, we can go over here by we got the tens, the 20s, the 30s, the 40s, the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, the 90s, and the 100s, and then it starts over at 110 and 120. So I'm gonna mark all of the tens. So count along with me as we count by tens. I'm gonna mark them in green so that I can remember how to count by tens. So here we go, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. And today we're not going to talk so much about counting by twos because we'll do that later on in the school year. So I just want to look at all the different ways that you can use this. So if you needed to find a bigger number, like say you wanted to, someone said 61, and you needed to find it and you didn't know how to write it yet, you could think, okay, so let me count by tens until I find 60, and then I can count until I find that number. So let's practice that. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, there it is, and then we go 60, 61. 6, 1 is 61. If we needed to find the number 54, we would count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then we'd go 51, 52, 53, 54 right there. 5, 4, 54. And that's how you use the 100s chart, or the 120 chart, to help you with counting and finding numbers. So there you go. I will send a 120s chart to you so that you can use it at home whenever you're trying to think of big numbers.